so I'm working in Illustrator again, and this time I want to use the pencil tool. So if I hover over, you see if you just press the letter N, it'll just pop up. Oh, there's a bell. But there's a little bit more to it. If you double click on it, you can see that you can edit all these things like fidelity, smoothness. What is all this stuff? I'm going to unclick fill pencil stroke, keep, if you click keep selected, I'll show you what that does. And then I'm going to keep edit selected paths. And this actually matters. I'm going to just make it in the middle so you can see what happens. So if I draw a line, first of all, because I click keep selected, it stays selected. So here's the cool thing. Watch what happens. If I come back here, and let's say I wanted to draw this, but I wanted to keep going. If I kind of come over here and I'm going to alter it a little bit, watch this. This is kind of neat. See how it actually takes the same line and extends it. So if I just keep going here and bring this up here, look at that. Pretty cool. Now, the only thing I can't do with this is I can't close off a shape. Or maybe I can. Did that work? Ooh, I think that actually worked. Let's just see. Yeah, so you can actually create a closed shape. I was going to show you a harder way to do it, but as long as you have, for your options, keep selected and edit selected paths, you can create a closed shape. So we're going to create 4 organic shapes like this. So this is a quick and easy way. Oh, maybe it didn't work. Let me check. Nope. It did. Wait. Hang on. Zoom in. Yeah, it worked. Okay. So we're going to create 4 organic shapes. So these are, again, these are kind of like ill-defined curvilinear shapes that you might kind of see in nature. So I'm going to come back over here with this again, and let me zoom in. Draw something over here, right? And maybe I'm going to stop, and then I'll kind of resume there. And when I come over here, I just make sure it goes back over what I have, and see how it just closes it up like that. So here's a heart. Whee! And I'm going to just link it together. And I don't think that one linked together. Let's find out. Yeah, see, that one didn't link together. Bummer. So let's see if I can get it to move together now. So I'm going to do that. There we go. So I guess the rule is when you do this, start drawing something, and then to link it together, just kind of resume drawing and do like that. And just make sure it's a closed shape. So in other words, there shouldn't be an open path anymore. So this is what not to do. End up with something like this because it doesn't seem to join it together. You actually get 2 different shapes. You actually want this to be completely joined together. So you're going to need to go back and just kind of add a gap and do something like that. But these are clearly all very organic shapes. So that is how you use the pen tool. Now another new trick with this, watch this. It's kind of neat. So obviously I can come in and modify this, but also I can come in with the smooth tool. Watch this. This is kind of neat. And just kind of draw over this, and you see how it kind of smooths out something. It only works on what you have selected. Hello, Belle. So if I have this up here, see how it's all lumpy bumpy right there? Grab the smooth tool and just kind of draw over that, and you can modify and smooth out your path. It actually simplifies it and just makes it a little smoother. So if you have a very wavy hand, this is very forgiving. You can kind of clean this up as you go. Easy. Alrighty then.